And welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Roblox right now with the app because I received a lot of messages from people who have this issue right now. I already went to my Roblox app on my phone and it says at the top a message. We are aware that some players are having issues locating experiences. Our team is actively working on it. Thank you for your continued patience. So this is the message they are telling us. You are not the only one who have this issue. You don't have to worry about it. Everyone has problems with Roblox right now. You should try to update your app or restart your phone, or you can also try to log out and then log in again and go to settings and clear the cache and the data and then try to log in again. So this is a method to fix it, but if it's not working, you don't have to worry because you are not the only one. So if you do have issues with this app, you can comment in the comment section down below on our YouTube video. You can like this video and you can subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.